Welcome back to the channel. This is Malone's RC Hobby. And guys, what do I got in store for you today? Got some brushless upgrading to do. My main man Halley from 10 Scale Garage gave me a shout out, gave me a challenge, a speed run challenge this time with our little handy dandy SG-1603s, 1604, aka UD-1601, popular 1/16 scale drifters that are on the market these days. And out the box, they're fast, they're fun. You don't have to go nutty with them, but we want to go fast this time out. So I am up for the speed challenge, Halley. Let's do it. The criteria is to not spend more money than what you already spent on the car. So I got these from Banggood. I spent about $90 on this car with shipping. I think it's even a little lower now. You could probably find a $10 coupon or something, or a 10% coupon. And you could probably get this car for under $90 right now. So I had to find some parts to put in it, from motor, ESC, servo, controller, to keep it under $90. So before we do the build, please be sure to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll be bringing you RC content like this each and every week. All right, I'm ready to open this little bad boy up and get tearing in it. And yeah, before I do though, it's morning, and I need a little something before I get going. So I hope you like that montage build, that upgrade build I did for the 1604 that I have here. And yes, it was a pretty seamless build. I would say it's pretty simple to work on this car. If you want to keep it simple, like the way I did it, without having to do many major modifications or drilling or modifying of the motor mount or chassis or anything like that, go with the build that I went with, and it is with a 2440 can size motor with the 2.3 millimeter shaft on it that works with the existing pinion that comes in this car. Many guys might want to go with a 2838. That's got a bigger shaft. Now you got to bore the pinion, and if you don't have a drill press, then you're going to probably drill crooked, and then you got to get a new pinion. And again, these pinions, I don't know if they're available yet for these cars. It looks like an odd pinion, like a WL Toys pinion, so the pitch is a little wacky. So if you did mess up the pinion gear, you're probably going to have to order and wait weeks before you get it. So I wanted to keep this simple, seamless, less hassle for you. So my total came out to about $91.50, and only because I bought my parts on eBay in the States. And I wanted to get the parts here quick within a week. I didn't want to wait 3 weeks to do this build. The only thing I did buy from Banggood was the controller, and that was $25. If you go through Banggood and want to do the build that I did, you're probably only looking at 60-something bucks. You're going to save yourself $30 and well under what you paid for the car. So I paid about 90 bucks for the car, spent $91.50 on parts. So I went a little over my budget. I hope that's okay for the challenge, Halley. But I'm ready to rip. 2440 motor with the stock pinion, stock setup. Go with that steering servo that I went with in this car. And it's the same servo that I've been using for the WL Toys 144001 upgrades. And I'll have a link in the description below the video where you can get that. I think in Banggood you can get it over just under 10 bucks. If you buy it in the States, you're probably going to spend about $15. So still great servo, direct drop in, no shimming at all, and it's a perfect little fit. And the 2440 is a great fit for this car, I think, as well. So less hassle, guys, less modification you got to do, and then you're ready to rip. Let's just see if this car can handle it, because it does have plastic gears, plastic diffs and such. So, but that's that build, guys. And Halley, I'm ready for you, man. You let me know when you're ready, and we'll do this run video. It snowed last night here in New York. It's cold as hell out, and we're not ready to go out here just yet for this. But I hope you liked that video. Please be sure to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll be bringing you RC content like this each and every week. And if you guys got any questions whatsoever about the build, please leave it in the comment section below this video, and I try to get back to every one of my followers. So, all right, guys, take care.